Assignment 4 has 8 steps. Let's go over the 8 steps. Step 1 is to go to Office 365. You will find a link to Office 365 in the ASU Mountain Home Banner webpage. I have provided a link here. It's asumh.edu/banner. Alternatively, you can type in www.office.com to go to the Office 365 site. If you've logged into the Office 365 site before, your device may remember your credentials and automatically log you in, but if not, use your ASU credentials. Once in Office 365, click on the Word icon on the left side of the screen, or click the 9-dot icon at the top left and select Word. Then click on New Blank Document. Step 2. Rename the Office 365 Word document. On the left side of the screen, click the little caret to the right side of the document name. You will see a box where you can type a new name. Name the document with your first name, your last name, -skills. You can just click inside the document and then check to make sure that your document name got changed. Step 3. You're ready now to type into your renamed blank document. Within the blank document, you will type 2 paragraphs, minimum of 100 words. There are instructions in the assignment that tell you what I'm looking for each paragraph. And then also there are some guidelines on how to type in Office or in Word if you have never typed in it before. So be sure to read that. So I'm just going to type a couple of things here. And I'm ready for Step 4. I've finished my document with the 2 paragraphs. Step 4 tells me that when I've finished, I'm going to save it and download a copy to my device. So I'm going to go to File, Save As, Download a Copy, and again, download a copy. Your docx file should have gone by default into your Downloads folder on your device. You can always select another location for your downloaded file if desired. Once you've done this, you want to close the Word document as well as Office 365. And then return to the course. So I'm back in the course. Now that I'm back in the course, I'm ready to email the instructor. Step 6 is where we're at, using the Blackboard navigation link, which is email my instructor. So I'm going to click on email my instructor. In the subject line, type my skills assessment. It remembers because I've typed it before, but my skills assessment analysis. In the body, you can say something like, attached is my online skills assessment analysis for your review. Attach the .docx file that you had downloaded to your device in Step 4. This file is typically found in the download folder unless you save the file into another folder. The button to attach a file or the link to attach the file is found at the bottom of the email window. Attach the file, then choose the file. Depending on the device, you may have to scroll to find it, but it is typically the first file in your downloads file, and here it is. So I'm going to click on it, then click Open. Once attached, you will see the name appear beside the Choose File button at the bottom of the email. Click Submit to send your email to your instructor. The email will be sent to your ASU instructor's email account. You will receive a copy of your Blackboard email in your ASU Gmail account, which verifies for you that you have successfully sent the Blackboard email to your instructor. Check for this email copy in your ASU Gmail account. You will find a link to Office 365 in the ASU banner webpage, which is asumh.edu/banner. Alternatively, you can go to gmail.com on the web. In any case, use your ASU credentials to log into your ASU Gmail account if you are automatically not logged in. Step 8. Watch for a reply email from your instructor in your ASU Gmail account. Once you have received your instructor's reply back to your instructor within your ASU Mountain Home account with a brief comment such as, "Got it," add any feedback you would like to add regarding this workshop, which is not required. Know that all positive and or negative comments are appreciated and utilized to make this workshop better.